To my beloved friends, I am writing to greet you all. In a formal application to the Nasdaq, Wellcoin Shares has sought an XRP ETF. Though the XRP ETF has been more successful, we will be discussing the Litecoin ETF today. So Nasdaq is trying to boost the popularity of coin shares, XRP ETF, and Litecoin ETF on its list. We can talk about technical evaluation and what happens if everything is tokenized today, since the XRP ledger is available. When it comes to XRP, what's on the horizon? There has been little change in the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies. Evidently, the market is still fluctuating about $3 trillion. Bitcoin, alas, is trying to climb again and has risen past $100 again. No amount can get it down below $190. If this reversal occurs again, the positive cycle for Bitcoin is likely to continue. Despite Bitcoin's dominance in the cryptocurrency market and its ability to absorb capitalization, we find that market mood remains anxious. Investors and buyers are nonetheless worried about this. We cannot argue that there is joy or even neutrality because altcoins have barely grown and several have fallen below the level observed earlier than November. Rather, it is sadness. At the moment, XRP is worth $140 billion on the market. To keep its position as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, XRP has to raise $1 billion to surpass Tether. Its goal is to reach $3 and remain there by experiencing substantial growth. Even though we haven't seen this one yet, it doesn't imply it won't happen again. We can see the development of a trading variety on the weekly time frame. Certainty dictates a range of $2.30 to $2.46. Every day we stay within the small window of opportunity for change. This trend line can be removed because the instrument has not broken out or consolidated above the $2.46 resistance level. This prevents us from addressing the bullish feeling right now. Customers appear to be at a risk. Unfortunately, XRP is not showing any signs of stable movement at the moment. About $2.60 is the most you can expect to pay. Still, XRP has a tough time just making it to the stage. As far as a pessimistic outlook on XRP actions is concerned, there is a crucial level near $1.99. If XRP settles below $2.30, it will very certainly rally above $1.99. In terms of the strategy of the main actors, the modern method is rather simple. I wouldn't call it exceptional. In preparation for 2022, the major players have been steadily increasing their XRP holdings, and they are nearly depleted because whales and companies associated with whales were selling XRP for over $3. A substantial correction occurred. Had they behaved properly, they could have made twice as much on lower backed sales, could perhaps profit on XRP at its current price of $1.77. Presently, XRP is being frugal. However, it concerns me that we are trading stocks at prices below $2.60. This proves without a reasonable doubt that the current upward trend will not last. If XRP doesn't break $2.60 this week, the bullish sentiment could be put on hold forever. It is also possible for prices to stay in a sideways range. Also, we can see a drop to around $1.90 again. This may have successfully scared off the retail traders who sold XRP for $3. From the vantage point of hypothetical variables, this is the case. It's clear that breaking the record established in 2025 might be pivotal when looking at the big picture. Remember that in 2018, it reached a record high of $3.30. In 2025, it reached $3.40 due to the Bifinex trade. Consequently, the new all-time high can be recalled. When will XRP cross up, though? That is the true question. I am crossing my fingers that this will be available once the SEC issue is resolved. and XRP ETFs are permitted. Notably, Jeremy Hogan, an attorney, has stated that the resolution of the Ripple v. SEC case will precede the approval of the XRP ETF. That is to say, the ETF cannot be approved until the disagreement between Ripple and the SEC is settled. This, if it materializes, will be an extremely joyous event. Also, Litecoin ETFs, XRP, and CoinShares are pending SEC approval, which Nasdaq is investigating at the moment. With an 18% increase over the last week, Litecoin now ranks higher than most of the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of performance. Ethereum tokens, Solana tokens, and XRP ETF are the three exchange-traded funds that could potentially become popular very quickly. From what I can see, Litecoin is not causing any problems for the SEC. Litecoin was not included in the SEC's earlier index of concerns over potential securities crimes. This is due to the fact that proof of labor is essential to Litecoin's functionality. The POW mechanism is outdated as a means of establishing ownership by a nation. Also, Charlie Lee, the author, is no longer under investigation by the SEC. Given the difficulty in classifying POW as a security, the SEC has decided that Bitcoin is no longer a security. Also makes sense for Litecoin and XRP ETFs for the same reasons. After CoinShares submitted their applications for spot ETFs on XRP and Litecoin to the SEC 2 weeks ago, Nasdaq followed suit. These items were returned using the 19b4 form. The question of whether Solana, Litecoin, or XRP will be approved first as an ETF is a critical one. Since Litecoin has never had any problems with the SEC, I am in favor of it. The ETF is better. That being said, the XRP ETF is likewise picking up speed. On top of that, once BlackRock greenlights the Solana ETF, we could watch the Litecoin ETF via the XRP ETF. Tokenization of all valued assets will be done on the XRP ledger. Huge sums of money are on the line. By 2025, the true value of the world's financial system is projected to reach $115 trillion. Tokenization has the potential to greatly increase the value of XRP compared to its current pricing. My Telegram channel is where I discuss technical analysis in depth. I don't like charts with a lot of lines because it's hard to see the planned route. I still anticipate a downward trend, and the daily and weekly charts keep showing a sideways manner with a downward bias. An analyst has predicted that XRP will drop below $1.53. We may retest the critical degrees at $1.92 and $1.88 before going on to the $2.92 objective. The XRP ledger is now formally supported by Trust Wallet. Their present substitute's incompetence was immediately